Hi everyone, Barbara from All Brands here, and we just got in our new Brother Disney SDX230D digital cutting machine. This is a collaboration from Brother and the Disney Corporation, and we are just so super excited about it. And today we are going to be opening it up and looking at it for the first time, and I'm so excited. So this machine has a blade sensor technology. That means that there is no more setting the blade for the depth of your material. It will automatically press the blade down on the mat, and it will know how thick the material is before you start cutting it. It cuts up to 3 millimeters thick, so that's like puffy foam, balsam wood. There's just so many possibilities. You can also cut fabric, paper, vellum, thin plastics. There's so many things that you can cut with this, which is so exciting. So the auto blade just makes that so much easier for you to do. So with this machine, there is 1,435 built-in designs in it, and with those, that includes 132 exclusive Disney built-in designs. And with those Disney built-in designs, there is a rhinestone starter kit, so you will get some Disney rhinestone designs, as well as some roll feeder Disney designs that are up to 6 feet long. Now I know some of the designs are coming in an upgrade that will be available in September of 2019. So you'll be getting more coming soon. This machine has an excellent scanner. So you do not require a computer to use this machine. It's a 600 DPI scanner built in to the machine. So you don't have to hook it up to a computer, but you can. So through Brother Canvas Workspace, on the side of the box, it says canvasworkspace.brother.com. And on that website, you can read the PES embroidery files. You can create your own designs, and you can even wirelessly transfer from your computer to the machine, or there is a USB stick in the side to put in your cut file designs or embroidery files, which then turn to cut files. So that's really exciting. In the box, there's so many included accessories. So we're just gonna get this box open and dig in for the first time. So excited. Okay, so let's see. I am going to open here. Oh, and every little piece of this box has like beautiful designs, color designs, so you can see even like the top flap has a pretty design on it. All right. It's like Christmas. Okay, getting started guide. This is new and exciting for me. Let's get started. So it has a Disney pamphlet. Let's get started. And it has all sorts of different ideas, what's included, machine setup, step-by-step, full color instructions. You also get a collection card, and it will show you more Disney collections that you can purchase through a Brother dealer or Canvas Workspace. There's also a quick reference guide. It looks like an instruction manual. I don't read that to start with. Okay, but you should read the instruction manual. Okay, and now styrofoam. Let's see here. And it's so pretty. Plastic. Okay, let's see here. This is it. And it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the screen pops open here. And then you have this beautiful Mickey and Minnie Mouse on the front. The decals are so cute. And then when you open the front, here's where you roll your mat through. And then there's storage containers here for accessories. Oh, and there's things inside. So it looks like we have our basic tools. So another stylus, a scraper tool. So right here we have the thin cut fabric blade and the standard auto blade that's available for the SDX models of ScanNCut. And I love that you can just store everything in here. You have this nice little pouch to keep everything in. You also have a pen holder with a bunch of little pins for drawing. So like I said, this machine cuts through fabric, so you can even program your 1/4 inch cut lines for doing quilt blocks. So you could use these pins for that. And I believe that there's some that are like erasable specifically for fabric use. So that is the machine. With the Brother Rhinestone Trial Kit, you get 3 template sheets, 3 transfer sheets, a backing board, a positioning brush, the rhinestone pickup tool, and Hoffitt's rhinestones in 4.8 millimeter and 2.9 millimeters, and an instruction manual. We have our standard tack adhesive mat, low tack adhesive mat, cardstock, and high tack adhesive fabric support sheet. So let's go ahead and turn this on. It's made by Brother, which is a great company, by the way, and they have dealers all across the United States for support. Now the ScanNCut DX model is the dealer-only model, and it's the model that has the auto blades. And then when we're ready to begin, we just touch the screen, and it will do this little calibration test. And then we can see in here, we can retrieve data, we can do test cuts. They have a setting where you can go in and make adjustments to things. Okay, so your main things when you get started are going to be your pre-built-in patterns, your scanning function. So if you wanted to write your name and scan it in, that will work. Okay, so roll feeder. For a limited time, Brother dealers are including the roll feeder attachment with the machine. Now what this does, this makes designs up to 6 feet long. So if you want to make banners, big stencils, just 6 foot long vinyl cut designs. Currently the machine on a mat will do 12 by 24. Okay, roll feeder, you would select this. There's an embossing function. Okay, I want to let everyone know that for a limited time, Brother dealers are including the 6 foot vinyl roll feeder with the SDX230D. So this allows you to do vinyl cut designs up to 6 feet, and there will be Disney designs available for the roll feeder. Okay, so we're on our opening screen with the ScanNCut SDX230 machine. First off the bat, I'm loving this Disney logo here. At the top left, we can show that it's ready for wireless. So you can send your designs from Canvas Workspace to directly to the ScanNCut machine. And also with the Brother top of the line XDX, you can also talk between these 2 machines as well. So we'll just look at some of the included patterns on here. So some of these for your existing SDX 225 users, you will see some designs that look familiar. These are all categories included in the machine. With this Disney machine, you can click the Disney logo, and then you get more categories of Mickey Mouse, Princess, Frozen, Pixar, your rhinestone trial kit designs, rhinestone crown, and then some more outlines of Disney classic characters. So to dig in a little bit deeper, we can look at some of these. So you have Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy. Oh, who's Donald's girlfriend? Daisy. Let's see. Oh, Mickey's hands. Wouldn't that be so cute with the white vinyl? Minnie, Mickey's shorts and shoe, and Minnie's bow. You also have like little monogram characters of each of the designs. Pluto. You even have some seasonal designs. So it looks like here we have some Mickey Halloween. This one is really cute. The Mickey with the different layered vinyl techniques. We have like some treat boxes. Imagine like you're getting ready for Halloween and you want to make little treat boxes for the kids. That would be so cute. Here's a mini Halloween. And then here's one. Oh, here's a Joy Mickey Antlers Christmas. Okay, and that's just the first category, folks. So and all of these designs are sizable. So many times you'll see that Disney is copyrighted, but they do allow you to size all of the Disney designs in the machine. So that is a big thing for our Disney lovers out there. So look, we can go up to 12 inches wide, so the full width of the mat. Okay. We want to thank you for watching this video of the Disney Brother ScanNCut SDX230D. There are only 5,000 of these machines being made, and after that they go back into the Disney vault. So if you liked this video and if it was helpful, please click the thumbs up below and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when more videos are being posted. Thank you for watching.